This week, we are going to be covering validation methods, and we'll go over some additional math methods. And you will be reading chapter 7, which is fairly short, but the programming examples are critical to understanding how to apply and use the methods that we will be covering. You are going to read the chapter, and I do have a video. The video does include covering all of the examples. So the entire thing is 53 minutes and 56 seconds, but it goes through everything. And you'll notice that when you get into the examples that they also have just their own videos. So this video covers everything. And then if you go to the examples all by themselves, they also have videos. So I will show you. But for this chapter and some of the other chapters coming up, to really understand how to use these, you have to see them in example. Okay, and so you can see there is a YouTube. They're all fairly short, but it will go through, how to use is null or empty. Okay, so they are, again, with the chapter information in that video, and also the programming examples have their own separate videos as well. So after you get through with that, you will be doing the understanding check. Only 6 questions in this one, and they are worth 1, 2, or 3 points. Again, unlimited number of times, and if there is anything that you don't understand, please ask. And then once you finish that, you will be doing the lab assignment. And the lab assignment has 3 different exercises, and I've done videos for each one. And the first exercise, I actually walk through making the changes with you. So when you get to this page, there will be a video link right here, and you'll be copying this program into, a new project, and you will be adding validation to it. I've got written instructions here, but you are probably going to want to watch the video to see how everything is done. And then there's a separate video for exercise 2 and a separate one for exercise 3. This is the only one where I walk you through the whole process. Okay, so I basically walk you through all the changes you need to make in this program. And once we do that, then you should have a pretty good feel for how to add validation. So I don't do that in the other exercises. And each exercise does have its own video. Once you are done with the exercises, you'll either submit the CS files or you can copy paste your code. And then we do have a discussion this week. And the discussion is on C# research. So by now, we have covered quite a bit of the basics of the language. And so I am sure there is a command or a concept that you want to know more about, or maybe that you are struggling with a little bit. And so this is your opportunity to do a little research on it. And this does address a learning outcome in our course, that students will select professional development resources that support their learning styles. So you guys can pick a tutorial, an article, a video, whatever it is that helps you learn best. And then you will post a link to the resource. You'll hit reply. I'll post the link to the resource you use and write a summary about it. Summarize what you learned. Okay? Because whatever you learned may help somebody else in the class too. Okay? And then once you have posted, you will read your classmates' articles and reply to 2 of them. So that is the last thing that you need to do this week. If you run into any problems working on the assignment, please let me know because I am here to help you. You certainly can copy and paste the code, send it to me, or pop in during my live stream office hours. Have a great week, and I hope you enjoy working on the assignment. I added a little extra to the third one that's optional, but there are some commands that let you change colors. So I thought some of you may be interested in that. So have fun and let me know if you have any questions.